Okay, this is just an extra help video for those of you that need to see how to do substitution with number 7, okay? All right, so here, the first thing that we need to do, we find one of the equations. We're going to isolate one of the variables, okay? I'm going to do this one. Why? Because y doesn't have a number in front of it, and it's almost by itself, so it's less work. So I'm going to do 4x plus y is equal to 12. Okay. So in order to get y by itself, I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. I can get any variable by itself. It doesn't matter. It might be more work to use the other ones, but you're not going to get the wrong answer as long as you do the math right. So this is gone, and I'm left with y is equal to, these are not like terms, so I bring them both down. It doesn't matter which one I write first, as long as I take the sign in front of it with it. Okay? So now y is equal to this expression here. Okay? So now we want to substitute. We're going to substitute this expression into the other equation. So I'm going to rewrite the other equation. Okay? All right. So now I'm going to replace y with negative 4x plus 12. So this is negative 2x minus 3 times all of this for y. Okay? Equals 14. So to simplify this, of course, this side, you do distributive property first. That's negative 3 times both numbers in the parentheses. So I'm going to bring this down. A negative times a negative is a positive. 3 times 4x is 12x. A negative times a positive is a negative. And 3 times 12 is 36. Okay. So now we're going to combine these together because they're like terms. And this is going to give us 10x, positive 10x, okay? Bring down the minus 36. Okay. Now in order to get x by itself, you've got to add the 36 to both sides. Okay. On this side, we're left with the 10x. Okay. And here, this is 10, carry the 1. This is going to be 50. Okay. And then we're going to divide both sides by 10. So 10 divided by 10 gives me 1x, so x is equal to 5 divided by 10 is going to be, 50 divided by 10 is going to be 5. So my x coordinate is going to be 5. Okay. So now to find my y coordinate, I'm going to use one of these and substitute, doesn't matter which one, I'm going to substitute 5 in the place of x. So I'm going to use the first one. I always choose the easier equation. So we have 5 for x, so this is 4 times 5 plus y. Okay. 4 times 5 is 20. Bring everything else down. To get y by itself, subtract 20 on both sides. Okay. This is gone, and I'm left with y is equal to, and this is going to give me a negative 8. Okay. So y here is equal to negative 8. So this is going to be my solution. You got it?